Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Another day, another mass shooting, another mass killing. This time in a Rockfort, take place in an area where they call Pleasant Height. It wasn't so pleasant. Right now people are very worried because them know say retaliation must go on because some of my man them were dead. A quote unquote Dan and Tapman and all kind of sitting with guard in a bad man place. Now we talk about the police response, as in the statement they make. Now we talk about some things that even the MP, none other than Philip Screwdriver himself. I show now even in 2024, these people are still delusional. 5 dead. This is one of the oldest trick them 87s have in them book. Ball game a play, music, food, fun, vibes, everybody nice. Them say, yeah man, I saw everybody just come together man, cause you don't know, it smells like a little peace vibes and yeah man, that's how we are going man. You might have heard say a quote unquote down there called Mendez, the man him son dead. You might also hear about a man then called John Dixon. Him have talk on the ends too, so you know that go. You see the ball game and the dance and the people say, yeah man, everybody just have fun and one of the easiest way if you catch an enemy then. I'm surprised Mendez fall feet. As them say chicken merry heart then here, people have fun and niceness are going on and then within an instant 87 just pull up. Be a shot. Bodies lie down all about the place. Father and son dead. One time. Rockfort people them nervous because them know say somebody have to dead back. Them know say somebody have to dead back. Them know say PR can't save nobody right now. Them know say sweet talk and speech can't save nobody right now. People are go dead back. Them know that. Listen to the delusion from your leaders then. Philip Paul, who is the MP for Rockfort, come out and say, this mash up the little peace where in a Rockfort and because there was peace in the community and the place did quiet all year. Thanks to the community engagement. In other words, bad man did a cool. How much time we have to hear say making bad man cool is not an effective crime fighting strategy. Enough place in the Iron Man get hot and then them get cool. And when them get cool, the politician them turn up with several high-ranking members of the police force and some community social intervention types and then pat themselves on the shoulder and say, see it a work. Then tell the man them either then gun them like they need Shabba Ranks. Remember that song there? I'll up all of the gun them. Meanwhile, under the surface, there is tension. Meanwhile, man a pre-man. Meanwhile, program run and man a wait for man get set up. Program run and man a wait to catch him enemy. But the politicians, and even the police surprisingly, are the last to know what go on. So when something go on, them come out and make statements like what you see Philip Paul say. And even the police in his things done. Philip Paul, well, you're not that delusional guy. Peace? What peace? That's as ridiculous as saying there's peace in the Middle East. Sometime Hamas and Israel cool, and then them get hot. Sometime Hamas and Israel cool, sometime Hezbollah and Israel cool. Next minute, rockets are go over the border. Tanker drive cross. Wartime. Only don't know what peace look like. Saying there was ever any peace in Rockfort or any of your badman place them is like saying there is peace in the Middle East because 2 weeks pass and no man are dead. It's ridiculous. August Town went a whole year with no murders. Remember that? Then did have to see it? The programs are working. Them time that the man them are restock them gun them. Change out the old one them for the new. Them times the man them a stock more ammo than even people with licensed firearm can get access to. All JCF, JDF, a sweat pan where them a get ammo. And the gunman them now sweat them full of shot. And the man them sit down and a plan. Meanwhile the politicians, meanwhile the social interventionists were patting themselves on the shoulder. Job well done. Then out of nowhere, bodies start drop. Then you see them back in the media. How could this happen? How? We just went 6 months, 9 months, 1 year. How could this happen? You're a delusional guy. And I found no hopeless. You're no hopeless to be honest. But because the Iron Man and I continue to sitting on the job and keep on the job them. So, good luck to you. Here will the police come out and say. See, I one thing when politicians delusional, because being delusional and dressing things up help win them vote, right? And take shame out of them eye. But you the thing say police have a vested interest, right, in really knowing what go on, because that way they can really fight crime. But look like that's not the case, because me I read an article in the RJR and me say police come out and make this statement. Superintendent Tommy Lee Chambers. I wonder if Tommy Lee the DJ. Mine not Tommy Lee the DJ no. Mine Tommy Lee Chambers is really Tommy Lee the DJ no, because that will make more sense. Listen to this. This incident is shocking to every single person. Pause this so. Unicorn need. No gunshot fire in a Rockfort can't shock him. All the time them in a quote unquote bad man place, but them know say ear rifle put on. When somebody dead, them will come out and look the people in them eye and tell them say why everybody surprised. Everybody went on a sense. Who in Rockfort was really under the impression that Rockfort had transformed into a utopia? Who in Rockfort was under the impression that Rockfort was now a utopia? Who? The dog them on the road? People who actually in a Rockfort on the ground no surprised about nothing. Matter of fact, the people them me talk to so far I see them surprised that this long for this happen. Them surprised it took this long for something like this happen, because it's been bubbling under the surface. He goes on to state, because we have been maintaining a peace. You haven't been maintaining anything. The man them are cool. The man them were planning. The man them like wait for an opportunity. And then opportunity presented itself. And they took it. Now you have 5 dead bodies on the ground in front of you. Me left you one teething baby. Until they said this a baby a ball regular kind of teeth. And 2 hours pass and the baby don't ball. And not I know where the baby start. Wah. Now you're telling boy you're surprised because you were maintaining quietness. No, the baby just never want ball. You were never in control. It's not because you were babysitter of the year. It's not because you were the world's greatest babysitter. The reason why 2 hours pass and the baby don't ball is not because you were the world's greatest babysitter. It's because the baby never want ball or feed for ball. Well, no, the baby want ball. And you're telling about, I don't know how this is happening, because I was maintaining the quietness. You weren't maintaining nothing, guy. Nothing at all. Delusion. Go on to mention, so they were seeing a peace in Rockfort community for months now. Maybe over a year now. Just like Augustone. And what we have been getting from the citizens here is that they feel free to walk to go about anywhere. So this is very surprising to us. We are not going to leave any stone unturned. Let me explain something to you, guy. If you have 30 hyenas on your doorstep, you watch Discovery Channel and you see lion and hyena, you have 30 hyena in front of your house. 30 of them. Teeth them sharp like a razor blade. Can tear flesh off a bone. But then, them not attack you. They don't attack. Them dey for your doorstep, you know. But they don't attack. When you come out to your house, you can walk past them and walk back, and walk past them and walk back. 2 weeks pass, 1 month pass, 6 months pass. You start telling people so because you whisper nice things to the hyena them while them in Russia. Because 6 months pass and the hyena them not attack. Then one day, out of nowhere, the 30 hyena them Russia and your family and tear off on the ears, tear off on the hand them, tear off on the foot them. You know lie down in a Spanish Town hospital. I tell people say, you're surprised because at 6 months, 30 hyena sit down in front of your doorstep and not do nothing. So you're shocked, you're in shock, say hyenas. Something we know. In an instant can tear off skin off a bone. Tear off skin off a bone. These people are surprised, say gunman. Bust gun. These people are surprised that killy just kill people. They are in shock that killies just kill enough people. When the killy them did have all them gun them, all them shot them, all them 87s. Get this through your head, Irish Saxon. Your social program is a farce. Making bad man cool is smoke screen. As long as the gang them exists, as long as the gang them armed, as long as the gang them capable, then things like this will happen. The reason why 3 months, 6 months, 9 months pass and nobody dead is not because of your ridiculous PR policies. It's because gangs, just like the hyena, will wait for the most opportune time to strike. What happened to Mendes them? People in a Rockfort know it was coming. The only thing surprising about this, everybody is shocked that Mendes got caught slipping. Because them they start going to some place where them shouldn't really linger. And people start friend them up. Them they live life. Them they enjoy themselves. Like them forget who them was. And in a for them world, man no forget nothing. Man friend them up, nice them up, and yam them food. That's how badness work. A gang can want kill 3 man. And they will wait and wait and wait, just like the hyena. They will wait until they think them forget. They will wait until they think you want them good. A matter of fact, they will tell you so you want them good. They will go around you 5 times and not shoot you. And make you feel comfortable. Because you will think, well, him see me where there, and not rush me. Like say me and him good you know. Them time that they gun them aisle up. And the mission already planned. Sometime 87s want kill Smaddy. And let me say I keep on dance all next year. 2025. And them tell themselves, alright, when him a keep dance, that means say, you ma go there. And 5 a film board, you ma go there. So we are wait till August 2025 to catch him. That's how long gunman will sit down and wait. But in the meantime, nothing no go on. So from October 2024 to August 2025, no killing no go on. So now the MP and the police and the social program guy start telling us that them program a work. Them time the man them a bleach and a wait pan the party for keep so them can kill him in the party. So now the party go on. Mass shooting, 8 dead. 3 more injured. Here they come. We're surprised. How could this happen? Look how long nothing have gone. Delusional. It's like you have a child. How much more analogy we need for Japan? It's like you have a child with a bottle of gasoline in them hand and a box of matches. And somebody I tell you say take that matches and that gasoline out of that pitney hand because inevitably the place a go burn down. And them tell you say in 9 months the pitney have one matches and the gasoline in their hand and no light no fire yet. That show you say unicorn parenting a work. Then one day the house set on fire and burn down and them go in front of TVJ and CVM and say I'm surprised the house burned down because it's been 9 months the pitney have the bottle of gasoline in their hand and the box of matches and the lighted. That is how ridiculous these people sound. They are surprised that heavily armed gangs with whole heap of manpower finally carry out a large-scale attack when they were capable of doing that for how long? I just them never want to do it because they were waiting for the opportune time. Is that because them can't do it? You see, when them can't do it, that's when you have success because you have neutralized them and their ability to attack. But that's not the case. The gang was never neutralized. The gang was never disarmed. So therefore, it's the pitney with the matches and the gasoline in their hand. It's a matter of when. You're the foolish parent for now tell man say you achieve something with your unicorn parenting program because you see the pitney and know the pitney have a matches in their hand with a bottle of gasoline and did nothing and then shot the house burn down. These are your leaders. So at this point, we have to just accept them no one do it. The gang them and the rifle them never go nowhere, but they know this happen. They can't be that stupid. So they no one do it. Them no one do it. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.